Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick teardown on the 4Runner Vanquish Phoenix build. Here you can see where I cut the shock towers in the back here. These are the original shocks that came with the portal version of the Phoenix, but I extended them by 5 millimeters because I'm running these F10T axles now. And this gave me a height and a style and everything that I really like. I'm not going to go into a ton of detail because I want to keep the video quick, but there's those F10T axles. That's how you cut that body right there. Let me show you what I did for the driver in here. Let me pull him out real quick. If you look under this seat, if you want to run all the servos inside, you're going to have to make a notch like this under this seat, and then there's another hole you're going to have to make under this seat to fit the servos, but you can run all the servos with this. Here's a shot of what the interior is trimmed like. You can see the center tunnel and the spot where that servo sits under the driver's seat, but by doing that you can run all the servos. I don't care about all the servos, but I wanted to show that it can be done. RC 4-wheel drive fender liners, SSD RC wheels. These are 3.9 tires, so pretty small. And I'm running CI heavy foams in here. Let's take the body off and I'll show you what it looks like inside. One thing I wanted to point out is that it's very easy to change your wheelbase. You want to change from a 12.3-inch wheelbase on this body down to an 11.4, just get axial SCX-10-2 rear links for an 11.4 and you're done. 11.4-inch wheelbase. That wheelbase works for this. It also works for the Blazer, if you're going to leave it as a Blazer, and it also works for the Mojave 2-door. Here you can see where our mounts attach to the stock side plates with these screws here. And then there's a stainless steel inserts where the body attaches. There's a bed support that's included with our kit. You can see how I ran the fender liners here. Got one of those nice reefed servos in here. And I'm running a low budget hobby wing motor setup right now. It's actually working great. Might change it out later, but right now I'm loving it. And that's the build. It's a pretty simple build overall. We've got body mounts for Vanquish for almost all the RC 4-wheel drive hard bodies. Thank you.